What's going on? It's your boy Stevie. I'm gonna give you another mod video. My V6 Dodge Charger. I'm changing the interior lights. Nothing never worked the first try. All right, I got it on this side. Pop it out. Pull this side out. Boom. Pull the light. Pull it. I couldn't get it, so I had to put some tape around it and pull it out. So now we're gonna try this side. This side light already off. I mean the lens part already off. And I'm gonna show y'all the tape method. Take some tape off. The tape, put it around the bulb. Right? Get it real good and pull it. Boom. I think if you do it any other way than this, you probably break the bulb in your finger. Lights. And basically find a light that look exactly like the bulb in your car already. These look identical. Boom. All right. Push that bad boy up there. Now, put the lens back on. Hack this side up a little bit. There you go. I'll turn my lights off, that's right. Push that up. I don't know what's wrong though. Why it ain't on? Push it in there good enough. There you go, I hit it upside down. Alright. I know y'all probably wondering like why blue. Cause the color of my car is black and red. I made it blue because already in my car, look. Already in my car, like the how you call it, the door handle lights, the feet lights, and the cup holder lights is blue. So why make it red when it's already blue? So that's why I went blue. Put the other lens in. There we go. That's the front two lights. We're gonna do the back. I ain't got nobody holding this joint for me, but yeah, this is the back light. This is a little tough, but I got the, I bought the joint off Amazon. I'm gonna put this link in the description too. Got it. Boom. First try too. All right. That joint a little hot. I'll pop that joint out. All right, there we go. It's a little hot. This the light look like. Burnt me. All right, like I said earlier, find the light bulb. Identical, right? Yeah. I dropped them hard, don't worry about it. I put it in backwards. There you go. Maybe this one ain't working. Let me see. All right, I don't know what I did. I took it out, put it back in, and it worked. Backlight, just join back on. It goes in to the left, and you pop it in through the right. See? There you go. You heard the click. All right, let's do the right side. Now let's start the right side. Turn the light off, of course. Get it behind there. Pop it out. All right, turn the light off. Light bulb, boom. Go to the lights, find an identical one. Identical, right? There's the stock one. This is the aftermarket one, right? Let's see if this one give me problems like the left side. Hopefully it don't. If you still watching this video, like, share, and subscribe. I'm rocking with you. I appreciate it. You putting it in like that, because when you pop it out, it's like a little... When you take the light off, you'll see. When I put the light on, when I get it in there, I'm gonna show you. See, this one ain't working either. Let's see if I can do the same thing I did with the other one. Flip it, right? There we go. Boom. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look. See how it look? It goes in sideways. Now I'm gonna put the lens back on this way. See the thumb mark, the little, when you push it like this, press it. Hold on. Press it in. You're gonna hear it pop. There you go. See? I mean, this the right side. I'm sorry. This the left side. Yeah. And then stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all. I got a cold air intake on here. I already installed it. I would take it off and put it back on just to show y'all it. But like, share, subscribe. Your boy Stevie. Let's get it. Don't mind my junky trunk, but we gonna do the trunk lights too. We ain't stopping. We'll do the trunk lights too. I'm gonna show you how to pop it out. Something to prime it out. That's it, right? Get the top up. Damn, I took it off. God damn, I popped the light out. Alright. It's a button you push and you pull it out. Light look like that. I just show that. But you gotta find a light bulb that look like that. See, look, it's the stock one. It's the aftermarket one. Look just like it. Got the little hoops on the ends. Yeah. All right, so yeah, don't mind my boots. I ain't sponsoring them or nothing like that. But look, put one on this end, and then hold on, one on that end, one on this end. It's like a hook. I think I bent it when I pulled it out all quick. Damn. I'll fix it. There we go. There we go. Boom. Right? Like that. We're gonna connect it back to the joint. The cable. Make sure it don't fall in there. Alright. Oh, it fell in there. Damn. It got the other way. There you go. It's backwards. There we go, boom. Same way over here, let's flip it. Right over here. This time we're gonna do it slow. Cause I ain't trying to break it like I did the last one. Go to the top. Prime it out. Up and in. Go. Push the button and pull the wire at the same time. There you go. It's hot, so be careful. It's just real hot. Alright, there you go. You're gonna push the brass part and it's gonna loose. Loose, right? Super easy, right? Yeah. Get the cable. Make sure the cable don't fall inside your trunk. Pop that back. Ain't cut on. Let's try another one. You know, Amazon, they be giving you faulty stuff. Look, how to release it. Push the brass joint down, it pops up. So just, all right, we over 2, all right? Take that joint up. I'm just gonna keep this plugged up. I see why they sent so many of them on the same one. Nothing. Should be over 3. If this don't work, I'm sending it back, okay? All right, here we go. Now we cooking. I was backwards, hold on. The light should be facing toward, these parts should be facing this way. So it should be lighting inside the car. Feel me? Hold on. Oh, I had them upside down. That's why they ain't work. All right. Blue trunk. Let's get it. Stevie. Yeah. Here go a quick view of it at nighttime. See, you see how it look? This the regular lights on here is blue. So it made sense for me to make the rest of the lights.